And there were also stunning revelations in the Auditor General's report that after 3 decades, Petrojam has still not figured out how to fully use its assets. Here's TVJ's Andrew Laidley.
Petrojam can refine 13.1 million barrels of oil each year. Currently, the refinery supplies the local market with 7.4 million barrels. That's about 43% less than its production capacity. The total domestic demand is 15.2 million barrels. To make up for the shortfall, Petrojam imports about 7.8 million barrels every year. It's an indication that the state-owned refinery is not making the most of its production capacity. In fact, the Auditor General points out that Petrojam relies on imported finished products instead of refining the petroleum products on its own. To make things worse, the Auditor General points out that Petrojam may have been overpaying its suppliers. This is because the entity had no way to measure the volume of products received against the money it paid out. But even after acquiring a machine in 2010 valued at almost $500,000 to validate the volume of imports, the entity failed to use it. That machine is now useless after an assessment earlier this year revealed that a major component is no longer being made. But there are criticisms that the refinery could produce more if it was upgraded. An upgrade has been in the works since 2009 when the refinery went through an environmental review. Those prospects, now 1 decade old, will have to wait until 2 more years to be completed. Until then, the Auditor General is reporting that Petrojam's efficiency in the utilization of its assets to generate sales continue to decline. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.